Atma Namaste, welcome to Grandmaster Choakoksvi's Sanat Kumar's Golden Miracles Energy Healing Consultancy. Today, let's check out the series on product sale. Do you know there is spirituality involved in selling a product? Many MNCs adopt lot of spiritual healing to the product before, during, and post-launch of the product till critical profit point is reached. The main, vital reason behind successful business is healing and charging the business with excess life energy forces for sustenance, success, fame, reputation, public demand. Every home, micro, small, medium, large, business should follow this, especially if their motto is to have a successful business. And their earnings are only through their business to see huge profits. The more faith and belief you practice this, the more profits you see in business. As healing is a esoteric study, the deeper healing techniques taught in GMCKS pranic prosperity healing is not given here, but those techniques which are vital and every person can follow very easily are given. Remember, though they are easy, they are very potent. If followed properly, they work 100%. The universal laws themselves are given here. No healing technique is powerful than them. Practice them regularly with sincerity and honesty. First, let's understand the science of spirituality regarding sale of a product. Let's begin with an invocation. The prayer is adopted from Grandmaster Choakoksvi's teachings to the Supreme Being, to the Divine Father, Mother, to all the spiritual teachers, saints, yogis, rishi, to the healing angels, healing ministers, spiritual elders, beings of light, and all the great ones. Thank you for the divine help, guidance, and protection, for the divine love, mercy, and compassion, abundance, prosperity, good profits in business, for the divine healing, with thanks and in full faith, with thanks and in full faith, with thanks and in full faith, with thanks and in full faith. Altar preparation. An altar is needed to facilitate the ingestion and inculcate given spiritual content into subtle human mechanism, to remember and follow same for long periods. How to prepare a simple altar. Video link in description. Before going further, please do watch the altar preparation video. A prayer in front of an altar enhances the potency of altar. Following sample prayer can be used in front of an altar to the Supreme God or Supreme Being, the Divine Father, Mother, spiritual teachers, all gurus, all saints, yogis, rishi, of all times and levels, to divine angels, archangels, healing angels, spiritual helper, guides, guardian angels. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your divine presence, help, guidance, protection, healing, love, mercy, compassion. Thank you for divine, spiritual and material, good health, progress, success, growth, abundance, prosperity, mercy, compassion, dharma, wisdom or knowledge. Starting a day with prayer in front of an altar makes the day great. One may use any prayer as per their faith and belief. Understanding sales of product in spiritual way is adopted from Grandmaster Choakoksvi teachings on abundance and prosperity. The following Golden Lotus Sutra of GMCKS from Achieve Impossible inspired us a lot in doing these series. Spiritual effort means asking for blessings which will facilitate the materialization of your prosperity karma. GMCKS Golden Lotus Sutras Achieve Impossible, page 4. Please understand, for the blessings to work out, there should be prosperity karma. The blessing then invade and facilitate the karma to work easily, safely, fastly. Tithing is like seed, the blessing is like the fertilizer. GMCKS Golden Lotus Sutras Achieve Impossible, page 17. How to sell a product using spirituality. The series is categorized in 7 video parts. 1. Law of Karma. 2. Subconscious Mind. 3. GMCKS teachings on sale of products. 4. How to accelerate sale of products using spirituality. 5. Teachings and techniques available. 6. Cleansing the products and removing hurdles. 7. Energizing the products and facilitating the sale. This video, let's learn Law of karma and how to deal with it. The part, Law of Karma, is stepped into 3 sections. Now, let's understand section 1 of Law of Karma. Before any further progress in the course, let us learn a simple yet powerful mudras for maintaining higher energy levels of human mechanism, which has ability to multiply money flow in life. While doing any work, be it spiritual or material, especially while studying, learning or reading, anything. If one is in Ganpati pose and also is in Kesari Mudra, will enhance the memory power of brain, including the increase in money flow of life. There are only 2 things that govern the human life in every way. 1. Karma. 2. Subconscious mind. If these 2 are worked out, then success is guaranteed. In the entire series of How to Sell a Product Using Spirituality, we will deeply understand karma and how to program subconscious mind to achieve success. One who takes this course seriously and does the practice with consistency, one will see improvement day by day. Consistency is the key. Miracles, magic may or may not happen overnight. But those who practice the spiritual techniques with sincerity, faith, belief, unconditional surrenderance to God and Satguru definitely will see success. This is success mantra of life. First, practice for 6 months to 1 year, daily for 15 to 30 minutes, the given techniques. If one sees improvement, then one may continue for rest of life, our success mantra. One who feels they need some initial monitoring and guidance for practicing the given techniques can join our WhatsApp group, where pranic healers who have been practicing these techniques from 5 years will monitor and guide. The group helps one in doubts clarification, courses to take, books to read, planning the practice. One has to post the videos and pictures of one's practice in the group. This will help one to have consistency and one-pointedness to practice continuously. Spiritual WhatsApp group at higher level represents a spiritual Sangha. When one is in the Sangha, then Sangha energies will help one to maintain their regularity in sadhana. Please understand those who are not active and doesn't practice regularly will be removed from group to maintain the Sangha energies properly. Interested candidates to practice regularly are only requested to join the group. Understanding karma. Karma is a universal law which entire creation of the Creator works on. The incarnations, life, death, flow of money, success, growth, progress, good health. Everything depends on karma. Karma is monitored by karma lords. They are like cameras in a big B show who record everything one does. Nothing can escape them, be it good or bad. According to actions, words, thoughts one does, their life is designed, and accordingly only one will receive what is entitled to oneself, be it good or bad. Law of karma. What we give is what we get, the returns will be in multiples. If we give 1 rupee, we get 10 rupees. What we sow is what we reap in multiples. If we sow a apple seed, we get many apples throughout our life. Similarly, if we give love, we get love back in multiples. Golden law of karma. Yank golden rule. Do unto others what you would have them do unto you. If you want 10 rupees, give others 10 rupees. If you want money, give money. If you want happiness, give happiness. If you want love, give love. If you want fame, give fame. Yank golden rule. Do not do unto others what you would not have them do unto you. If you do not want others to take your money, do not steal others' money. If you do not want others to break your relationship, do not hurt others' relationship. If you do not want loss in business, do not create loss of business to others in any way. Giving a bad review also is part of hurting others' business. It is as simple as that, says Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui. Next video of the series. Let us learn application of law of karma to sale of a product. Watch YouTube, get 60 minutes of GMCKS pranic stress healing treatment. Registration link and guidelines video link in description. Any doubts? Book an appointment. Required information on screen. Those who want to purchase the course material for entire series can order now. Details on screen. Content credits. Let's end with an invocation. The prayer is adopted from Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui's teachings to the Supreme Being, to the Divine Father, Mother, to all the spiritual teachers, saints, yogis, rishi, to the healing angels, healing ministers, spiritual elders, beings of light, and all the great ones. Thank you for the divine help, guidance, and protection. For thee, divine love, mercy, and compassion, abundance, prosperity, good profits in business. For thee, divine healing, with thanks and in full faith. 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 Thank you one and all. Stay blessed. Do watch, like, comment, subscribe, share our YouTube channel. Do share your reviews in comment section. Do join our course WhatsApp groups. Do recommend us to others. Support, spread our goodwill and will to do good. Thank you for everything.
GMCKS. Thanks, Divine Angel. Thanks, Divine help, guidance, and protection be with you. May your future be blessed and filled with happiness, success, harmony, love, spirituality, generosity, and pranic healing. Disclaimer: gentle notice not to reproduce the course or try arguing about the truth levels of the course with anyone else without our prior permission. We are trying to provide the highest level truth which may not readily be accepted by other people or yourself. Before taking such steps, please do take our advice. This is only for personal use, to be used as reference for the client and his family. You can refer the course to those in trouble but do not force to follow same. This does not replace or override the medical diagnosis made by the conventional doctor or any conventional scientific methods. Their analysis as per their own standards are true, our analysis as per our standards of truth are true. Both can be compared for personal use only. This course does not intend to prove anyone wrong or right, or this cannot be taken as a legal content to argue with anyone in any form. This is intellectual property of GMCKS, Sanat Kumaras GMEHC, and reproduction of same in any manner will lead to legal consequences. In case you want to get any such services from other healers, you can definitely get. But you cannot take this course as a source to defame us or that healer, or try to prove the other healers or the healer who has given this service wrong. The other healer too does not reserve any right to defame or question us. In case done so, the healer and client who are involved in provoking other healer will be sued legally. This course is only meant for client's personal use. No one is completely wrong and no one is completely right. The intuitive level of every healer differs. Some healers, in spite of lesser experience, have higher intuitive power, while some healers, in spite of ages and decades of experience, has lesser intuitive power. All healers are correct as per their intuitive evolution. Hence, no healer can be blamed as right or wrong. The client is requested to take this as a positive asset the client has received from Most High to remold themselves into great yogis, instead claiming for rightness and wrongness of the course. Enlighten yourself or establish heaven within with its help. We are not doctors, and pranic healing or the service provided through this course is not intended to replace any conventional therapies. This is just a complement for those therapies which acts as a catalyst in improving the self-recovery power of the human system mechanism. The suggestion and advices by healers are only their opinion. It does not force any client to follow same. It is up to the client to follow same or not. There is no compulsion or force. Healers are just doing their duties. In Divine Companionship, Grand Master Choakok, Swiss Sanat Kumaras, Golden Miracles, Energy Healing, Consultancy Family.